Welcome to Monere's NiADA product demo. To begin, please download the app from the Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone, or the Apple App Store if you are using an iPhone. Once the app is installed, simply use your email address to log in. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Go to your email to copy the code. Enter that code into the app to access the dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, you can view the number of available tests and the number of tests already used. You can also see a list of recent patients tested. To view all patients, tap the hamburger menu, 3 horizontal lines, in the top left corner and select Patient Directory. Now, let's proceed with conducting an AI hemoglobin test. Tap on HbA score to open the test screen. Allow the app permissions to take photos and videos when prompted. Enter a unique patient ID manually, or automatically generate one by clicking the button at the top. Select the appropriate patient details and enter their age if possible. Review the exclusion criteria to confirm that the patient's inner eyelid condition is suitable for accurately capturing a photo and estimating the hemoglobin score. Once you tap the Take Photo button, the camera screen will open. The first time you use the camera, you will see on-screen guidance for taking the photo. Once all photo quality conditions are met, all 4 checkboxes on the screen will turn green. Ensure you are taking the photo in adequate daylight conditions, or simulate daylight using a light source between approximately 5,500 and 8,000 Kelvin. After the photo is captured, the app will automatically analyze the image and estimate a hemoglobin level within a few seconds. Please note, the resulting score is for informational purposes only. The results screen displays the AI hemoglobin score, using colors to indicate whether the level is anemic, normal, or high based on WHO guidelines. If a corresponding lab test result is available, you may enter it on this screen. You also have the option to send the NiADA hemoglobin report to the user's email address. Ensure that you only send this information to the patient themselves and/or to their healthcare providers if explicit patient consent has been given. Additionally, you can permanently remove the test results from the system by tapping the Delete button. Now, you have the option to pause, as the basic test-taking demonstration is complete. Alternatively, we can proceed to creating a custom environment. This feature allows you to configure specific settings within the app to ensure proper lighting conditions for testing, or to better accommodate the varied inner-lower eyelid shapes found across different demographics. To create a custom environment, type in a unique name for the environment. If an environment with that name already exists, the app will display it. Otherwise, it will allow you to create a new one. Select the desired settings for the environment. We prefer you use ideal conditions as much as possible to ensure best result. Select the appropriate eyelid size for the specific demography you are testing. Save the new environment for future use. Alternatively, you can just use a predefined environment that is already available to you. We're delighted to announce the addition of an offline mode. This feature accommodates screening in remote locations where internet access is unavailable. In offline mode, test data is not saved directly to our main platform immediately. Instead, it provides you with the option to download the test data onto your local device as needed, considering data privacy guidelines, and later sync it with the platform. Please note, the offline mode is a premium feature and requires separate purchase to use. It must be synced with the platform at least every 7 days to remain active. Thank you for watching NiADA product demo.